The question is in your sentence. We just have to know that how to turn it into a question. In this table, Tia can skate. skate कर सकती है। उसको क्वेश्चन कैसे बोलेंगे?
Not complete.
हम उसको क्वेश्चन में कैसे रखेंगे? कैन पिया स्केट? क्या पिया स्केट कर सकती है? गुड बॉय। वेरी सिंपल सेंटेंस। ही इज अ गुड बॉय। ये बहुत अच्छा बच्चा, अच्छा लड़का है। एंड नाउ वी वांट टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, क्या ये अच्छा बच्चा है? तो हमने इज को क्या लगा दिया? सब्जेक्ट के आगे लगा दिया। इज ही अ गुड बॉय? यस और नो?
Yes. Yes.
वो अपने टीचर की बात सुनते हैं। डू दे लिसन टू देयर टीचर? क्या वो अपने टीचर की बात सुनते हैं? We should make sentences into questions. And in second, study the table to understand how to form question in simple past tense. अभी हम लोग question past वाला कर रहे हैं. We will be talking about late. वो लेट था, ये मैं बता रही हूँ। आई एम टेलिंग, आई एम इन्फॉर्मिंग कि वो लेट था। अगर मैंने उसको क्वेश्चन में पूछना हो तो क्या वो लेट था? तो वॉज ही लेट? ये सारी बातें अभी किसकी होने वाली है? पास्ट टेंस वाली होने वाली है। हंग्री, वो भूखे थे। वर दे हंग्री? क्या वो भूखे थे? वांटेड क्या बता रहा है कि ये पास्ट की बात हो रही है? वांटेड इज यूज्ड फॉर टेलिंग एनीबॉडी दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पास्ट टेंस। ही वांटेड एन आइसक्रीम। तो यहाँ क्या हम पूछेंगे? डिड ही वांट एन आइसक्रीम? यहाँ पे ईडी जो है वो डिड की तरफ चला जाएगा। We are going to transfer ed with did, did. Did he want an ice cream? क्या उसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? अभी ATEF is the past form of eat. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग did लगाकर जो ate है उसको simple word में use करेंगे। Did they eat the sandwiches? So girls, आपको ये वाले टेबल में any doubts? Did you understood the concept
No.
of forming the questions from past tense?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Any
teacher.
question? Any question?
Yes, teacher. No, teacher.
Yes, teacher. No, teacher. No, teacher.
Okay, then let's
No,
go to the
teacher.
next table. Study the table to understand how to form questions in the simple future tense. And again, we will be learning how to make questions for future tense. In future tense. अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं future की। क्या तुम आओगे? तुम ये करोगे? You know, questions like that we ask for future purpose. I will ask him. Will is showing us that this sentence is about future. I will ask him. मैं उसको पूछूंगी या पूछूंगा। तो अभी we have to make it question. तो पहले हम लोग क्या ले लेंगे? will ले लेंगे। You ask him. क्या तुम उसको पूछोगी या पूछोगे? Now they will play in the garden. Will they play in the garden? क्या वो गार्डन में खेलेंगे? The teacher will check the test. Will the teacher check the test? क्या टीचर चेक करेगी? You will go there. You will go there. अभी इसका क्वेश्चन बनाओ. This is a very simple.
Will you go
Teacher, फिर
there?
repeat करो ना.
Yes. Will you go there? You will go there. Will you go there? My mummy will think about it. My mummy will think about it. Now make it into a question. Will my mummy think about it? Very good, Amela.
Thank you, teacher.
So here you are having this exercise.
Teacher.
पहले हमको क्या चेक करना है कि सेंटेंस कौन से टेंस का है. Is the sentence about present, past, or future? And according to that, we have to make question. Jimmy will lock the door. तो पहले we have to think ये कौन सा sentence है? Jimmy will lock the door.
Present.
Oh, तो कौन सा tense है ये?
It is future tense.
Yes, it is future tense. So अभी we have to make it. चलो, I'm writing here. Jenny will lock the door. Make it into a question. Yes, very good, Mukaddisa. Will Jenny lock the door? Very good, Zara, Nazia, Sakina. Jenny is a proper noun. So J is going to be capital. J should be capital.
Okay, teacher.
Everyone have to write this, huh? Everyone, why are you not writing? Okay. Now the second question is, they are late. Okay? They are late. So this is which tense?
Present tense.
Yes,
Present
simple present tense. Simple present tense. They are late. अभी की बात हो रही है. We are talking to each other and we are saying like, हाँ, they are late. ये late है. अभी make it into question. Are they late? Very good, Sahil Halari means Sana Halari. Are they late? क्या वो late है? Simple है कि नहीं? Easy है कि नहीं? Very good. Everyone. Very good. Let me clap. Are they late? The cat is in the basket. The cat is in the basket. ये कौन सा टेंस है?
Present tense.
Very good. Present tense. Now make it into a question. Very good, everyone. You are an expert. You all are the experts. Is the cat in the basket? Very good. सबसे पहले किसने लिखा है? The first one to write is Sakina Charania. Very good. Is लेकिन the लगेगा बेटा. Here we have to use the. Very good, Zahra. Is the cat in the basket?
लिखा था पर चला गया.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Where is the cat? Very good, Nurani. You thought out of the box. लेकिन हमको क्वेश्चन सेंटेंस का ही बनाना है. हम ये नहीं पूछ रहे कि हमको ये पूछना है कि क्या क्या like that. The question should be according to the sentence. और ये खराटे कौन खा रहा है? Who is snoring? What is this noise?
Fatima Zahra, teacher.
Fatima Zahra, please mute your mic. अरे
टीचर बहुत आपकी आवाज क्रैक हो रही है.
फातिमा जहरा,
टीचर इसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
which one?
ये वाला था. Is the cat in basket or is cat in the basket?
Is the cat in the basket? Okay. So the next question is,
टीचर आपकी वॉइस बहुत क्रैक हो रही है.
he likes the black shoes. यहाँ पर अभी like है, ed लगा है. That means ये कौन सा tense है?
Past.
Very good. तो ed का हम क्या फॉर्म करेंगे? ed की जगह हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे?
Did.
Did. Very good. हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? Did. Okay. So now make it into a question. He liked the black shoe.
આપણા ગામમાં હાચનમાં દીપડો હોય.
He liked the black shoes. Please mute your mic, girls. Please don't disturb.
Teacher, आप mute.
And the answer is very good, Madhesar. Did he like the black shoes? क्या उसको ed नहीं लगेगा ना, because हम ed जगह क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? Did. We are using did instead of ed for making this sentence into a question. So ed नहीं लगेगा. We are taking ed and putting it into did. So did he like the black shoes? Did he like the black shoes? Very good, everyone. Like नहीं होगा, like होगा. Did he like the black shoes? The लगेगा, sentence में the है. And don't forget to put question marks. Question mark is very important. ed नहीं आएगा. Like. Did he like the black shoes? Fatima Rizvi, please use your mic. Fatima Rizvi, otherwise I'll remove you. You're disturbing this class. So the answer is, did he like the black shoes? ed नहीं आएगा. Did he like the black shoes? Did he like the black shoes? Like that. The next question is question number. It rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. अभी ये कौन सा tense है?
Past tense.
Which tense is this?
Past.
Very good. So again, don't make the same mistake. Very good. अभी don't make the same mistake. अभी ed है तो हम लोग ed की बजाय क्या लगाएंगे? Did. सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? Did. ed को कट करना है और उसकी जगह पहले रखना है did.
Did.
Yesterday. Very good. Amina Pupatia, very nice. Did it rain yesterday? Question mark. Very nice. Very good, Charanya Zehra, but you forgot to put question mark at the last. At the end, you have to put question mark. Ikra Fatima Mithani. Did it rain yesterday? Very nice. Very good. You all are doing a great job. I'm so happy that the concept is getting clearer and clearer. Very good.
टीचर आप चैट थोड़ा ऊपर करो, सबसे पहले मुकद्दस ने आंसर लिखा है.
Very good, Mukaddesa. Very nice. Did it rain? लेकिन ed नहीं होगा. We are taking out the ed and using did instead to make this question into this sentence into a question. Okay, so answer is did it rain yesterday? और क्वेश्चन से पहले आंसर लिखना बंद करो वसाया. वसाया सकीना, जहरा चारनिया, don't do this. So the next question is प्रतिमा likes sweets. अभी देखो यहाँ पे likes जो है यहाँ पे ed नहीं लिखा है, वहां पे es लगा है. like is a word. पसंद करना. like मतलब पसंद, पसंद करना. like is a verb. अभी इस verb के पीछे ed नहीं लगा है. क्या लगा है? es. क्या लगा है?
ES.
es. तो यहाँ पे did नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? does आएगा. DOES. does. क्या आएगा?
टीचर योर वॉइस इज
ये एक
क्रैकिंग.
सिंपल लॉजिक है. ये एक सिंपल लॉजिक है जो आपको याद रखना है. यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दिस सिंपल लॉजिक दैट अगर ed है तो वी विल यूज did एंड इफ इट इज es तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? does. Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes, teacher, your voice is cracking so much.
Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, teacher, your voice.
माइक्रोफोन ऑन कर देना तभी आपका आवाज क्रैक होता है.
Hello. Hello.
टीचर अभी सही आ रहा है.
अभी सही है? Okay. 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 Everything is fine. Okay. तो यहाँ पर एक सिंपल एक टेक्निक है याद रखने की. अगर याद ना रहता हो तो अगर सेंटेंस के अंदर वर्ब में ed लगा है दैट मीन्स वी विल यूज did. और अगर es लगा है तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? वी विल यूज
डज.
वेरी गुड. es डज के लास्ट में क्या आता है? do.
ES.
हाँ, तो ये याद रखने. दिस इज अ सिंपल टेक्निक टू दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. अगर आपको डिफिकल्टी रहती है, याद रखने में कंफ्यूजन होता है, so make this a small easy technique to use them in any sentence if you want. So the question is Pratima likes sweets. So write it down. Does Pratima like sweets? Very good. Very good, Amina. And last time I'm telling, आगे आगे आंसर लिखने का बंद करो प्लीज. डोंट डू दैट. वेरी गुड आमिना, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है.
थैंक यू टीचर.
Does Pratima like sweets? Very good. Zainab Charanya, Taibani, very nice. Halari Sana, very good. Does Pratima likes sweets? So the next question is Anu goes to school. Make it into a question. Does Anu go to school? Very nice. हमने गो में से es निकाल के दो में डाल दिया. वेरी नाइस.
डज अनुज लाइक स्वीट्स ऐसे आता है ना.
नहीं, does Anu go to school?
F1 में.
वो प्रतिमा है. Does प्रतिमा like sleep? Very good. Does Anu go to school? Very good. And the star. So next question is, she wanted a cup of coffee. She wanted a cup of coffee. अभी यहाँ पे want यानी उसको चाहिए. Want is word और want के पीछे लगा है ed.
टीचर मैं लेफ्ट हो रही हूँ, मेरे कॉल आ रहा है.
What is your name? What is your name? Please, कोई भी कॉल आया हो या कुछ भी, you don't leave the class, okay? He wanted a cup of coffee. इधर want is verb and want के पीछे verb के पीछे लगा है ed. तो हम ed को काट करके क्या करेंगे? क्या लिखेंगे?
Did.
Did she want a cup of coffee?
Did she want a cup of coffee? कितना सिंपल है. Did she want a cup of coffee? क्या उसको कॉफी का कप चाहिए? वेरी गुड. तो ये है कि नहीं कप ऑफ टी? इजी है कि नहीं है? ग्रामर इज वेरी इजी. Does she want a cup of coffee? Very good, very nice. So इस बात पे I'll give you coffee. Here is coffee. Coffee, not beer. Okay. So the next question is, he brushed his teeth twice in a day. अभी ये थोड़ा लॉजिक वाला है. He brushed his teeth twice in a day. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ed लगा है लेकिन did नहीं आएगा. क्या आएगा? Does word is used for something जो हो रहा होता है, जिसको करना होता है, हो रहा होता है, तो उसमें did यूज नहीं होता है. क्या यूज होता है? Does. क्या यूज होता है? So when we are doing something, जब हरकतें हो रही होती है, कंटिन्यूअस हो रही होती है, at that time does word यूज होता है. Twice in a day, यानी कि ये 2 टाइम दिन में अपने दांतों को ब्रश करता है. तो अभी हम लोग उसको बनाएंगे. He brushed his teeth twice a day. क्या वो 2 बार अपने दांतों को ब्रश करता है? Like that. Does he brush his teeth twice a day? And last, Priya will be late today. Make it into a question. Priya will be late today. Last question of the chapter. Very good, Sana. Will Priya be late today? Priya is a proper noun. Priya नाम है. So we have to keep P capital. हमको P capital ही रखना है. Will Priya be late today? Will Priya be? B आएगा. We are not going to cut B. Will Priya be late today? Very good. Very good, everyone. So here the chapter ends. तो किसी को simple tenses के बारे में कोई सवाल? Any question about simple tenses?
No, teacher.
No?
No, teacher.
But listen, but for that you have to keep practicing it. You have to keep learning it. You have to keep revising it to keep that things into your mind. अगर आप चाहते हो कि वो आपके दिमाग में रहे हमेशा के लिए, then you have to keep practicing and revising. अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो एक दिन में ही आपको वो सारी चीजें भूल जाएंगी आप. So for that you have to, what you have to do?
Practice.
हाँ. So today in the group I will send the PDF. Okay. So now let's take the attendance. Everything is clear. Grammar is so easy. Yes, grammar is very easy. So now you know the rituals. I'm going to ask for your name. You have to say present and then you are allowed to leave the class. So the first one is Chataria Maria.
Present.
Beta, last time you were absent,
Yes, teacher.
but from now onwards, I want Chataria Maria to be present in my all classes. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, have a nice day. Conan Fatima, Abbas Ali.
Present, teacher. Khuda Hafiz. Bye.
Khuda Hafiz, bye-bye. Nurani Sukoon.
Present, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye. Khuda Hafiz. Lanani
Nice day.
Iftar. Have a nice day.
Present, teacher.
Beta, Abdi, last time you were absent.
Yes, teacher.
Beta, from now onwards, you know now what to do.
Yes, teacher.
You have to be present. Okay, have a nice day.
Same to you, ma'am.
Isaiah Conan is present. Devjani Ajmat. Zahra.
Bye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Mithani Ikra.
Present, teacher. Bye, bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Ikra, आप last time नहीं आए थे. You have to be present, okay?
Okay, teacher. Bye, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good day. Minsaria Rosmin Zahir Abbas.
Present, teacher.
Have a nice day, dear. Good day.
Khuda Hafiz. Have a
Khuda
nice day.
Hafiz.
Bye, bye,
Conan
teacher.
Bimani. Bye-bye. Bimani Conan. Bimani Conan.
Present, teacher.
Have a nice day, Conan.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Popatia Amina.
Present, teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, so next is Taskin Burani. Taskin Fatima Burani.
Yes, teacher. Present.
Okay, have a nice day. Good to see you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye. Miss Aya Sakina.
Present, teacher.
Beta, last time you were absent.
Yes.
From now onwards, are you going to be absent?
Yes.
Yes? आप absent रहोगे?
नहीं.
Oh, that's called a girl. Very good. From now onwards, मुझे वसाया सकीना किसी भी क्लास में absent नहीं चाहिए. I want you to be present. उपटिया आमिना हो गया है. जहरा मोहम्मद हसन हसनैन चारनिया. रोल नंबर 11.
Bye.
Zahra Charania.
Present.
Okay, have a good day. Have a good day. Lakhani Taskin Fatima.
Present, teacher.
Have a nice day.
Hafiz, teacher.
Hafiz. Sheikh Zainab.
Yes, teacher.
Beta, you were absent last time.
Yes, teacher.
From now onwards, I want Sania to be present in my class, huh?
Okay, teacher. Bye. Have a
Have a
nice
good
day.
day. Have a nice day. Kapasi Afreen. Kapasi Afreen. Last call for Kapasi Afri. Okay. Charanya Zainab Khatun.
Present teacher.
Have a good day, dear.
Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye. Charanya Azmat Fatima.
Present teacher.
Beta, last time you were absent.
Yes.
Beta, from now onwards, you know what to do. You have to be present, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Have a nice.
Charanya Sakina.
Present.
Have a nice day.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Lakhani Sakina.
Present teacher.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Nakvi Sana Kaufir.
Present.
बेटा लास्ट टाइम आप एब्सेंट थी.
Yes, teacher.
अभी आगे से एब्सेंट रहना है आपको.
No.
हाँ गुड वेरी गुड.
Bye
हैव अ
bye.
नाइस डे.
Have a nice day.
कलानिया समा.
Present teacher.
हैव अ गुड डे डियर. बाय बाय.
Bye bye teacher.
तैबानी स्वालेहा. तैबानी स्वालेहा. Last call for Taibani Saleha. Okay, she is not answering. Mukaddesa Fatima Patwani.
Yes teacher.
Have a good day. Bye
Yes.
bye.
Bye teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, you skip Arza's name.
Did I? Where is she? No, I don't think so. Azmat hai. Azmat, roll number 7, present.
ऊपर
Where
ऊपर.
is Aiza? Ah, oh, wait. No, I did present. उसने जवाब नहीं दिया. She didn't answer.
Okay, bye teacher.
Okay, bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Good day to you too. Okay, Charanya Sakina is present. After Charanya Sakina, Burani Angel.
Present teacher.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Khuda Hafiz teacher.
Khuda Hafiz. Okay, now roll number 66. Rizvi Fatima Zahra.
Present teacher. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.
Take care. Khuda Hafiz. Kalania Sama is present. Okay. Aisha Pathan. Pathan Aisha, roll number 44.
Present teacher.
बेटा आप भी लास्ट टाइम एब्सेंट थी.
Yes teacher.
अभी से आई वांट आयशा टू बी इन माय क्लास.
Sorry teacher, मुझे बाहर जाना था.
It's okay, but from now onwards I want Aisha. Okay.
Okay teacher.
Okay. Halari
Bye.
Sana. Bye bye.
Yes teacher.
Have a good day Sana.
Bye bye teacher.
Bye bye. Riza Fatima Ali Naki.
Bye teacher.
Bye Riza.
Bye.
Amara Salat. Salat Amara. Salat Amara.
टीचर प्रेजेंट थी पर लेफ्ट हो गई.
Okay. Conan Fatima Minsaria. She is present. Taibani Mushfira. Taibani Mushfira.
Bye bye teacher.
Okay, bye bye. Have a good day. अजमत का हो गया. Everyone. सबके नाम आ गए.
टीचर मैं बाकी हूँ.
What is your name?
मैं भी बाकी हूँ, मेरा भी नाम नहीं आया.
बदामी
Okay,
कुंभ
write
करने
down
में
your.
ऊपर गया. टीचर
Okay,
बदामी कुंभ करने में भी ऊपर गया.
okay. अभी जिसके बाकी है ना सब लोग अपने नाम लिख लो फटाफट. Okay. हलारी सना आयशा पठान रिजवी हो गया. जमानी जैनब. जमानी जैनब.
प्रेजेंट टीचर.
बेटा लास्ट टाइम आप नहीं थे. I want you to be present in my class. शमानी जैनब के बाद 53 हो गया।
बाय बाय टीचर।
बाय बाय। जास्मिन रसभरिया, रसभरिया जास्मिन। जास्मिन।
यस टीचर।
ओके बेटा, मुझे आप भी एब्सेंट थी। कपासी आफरीन जहरा इज प्रेजेंट। और कोई बाकी है?
टीचर मैं बाकी हूँ।
ओके, बदामी कुन फातिमा। So
यस टीचर
everyone is
प्रेजेंट। बाय
present.
बाय।
Okay,
Bye-bye,
have a
teacher.
nice day everyone. Bye bye, कोई बाकी नहीं है।
हाँ बोल। बाय बाय टीचर।
अनम
Okay,
हेलो।
have a nice day. Good day.
अनम
कौन
टीचर
बाकी
मैं
है?
बाकी।
What is your
अम्मारा
name?
सलाट। अम्मारा सलाट।
मैंने आपका नाम लिया लेकिन आपने प्रेजेंट नहीं किया हमारा। You didn't say
सॉरी
present.
टीचर।
Okay, I
आई
got
एम
your name.
प्रेजेंट।
Okay.
ओके
Have a
बाय
good day
टीचर। हैव अ
everyone.
नाइस डे।
Bye. Good
हैव
day.
अ
Bye.
नाइस डे।
Bye.